everyone, and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul, but it's going to be a little bit different. I went to Target and then I also went to Sprouts. So I'm going to show you what I picked up at both stores. Most of this is grocery items, but I got a couple of household items as well. So I'm going to start with Target and then move on to Sprouts. Here is my Target haul, and I'm just going to start over here. First thing I grabbed was some light cream cheese, and I like to use this for, you know, some breakfast in the morning, or I have been making these pumpkin cream cheese bites, and the recipe calls for one of these. And speaking of pumpkin, I did grab 2 cans of pumpkin, and I also grabbed some of these spinach leaves. So these are frozen, and I love to use these for my smoothies or protein shakes because they come like bunched up. I can just throw them into the blender, and they're super easy to just blend up. So I got 3 of those. I'm gonna go back here. So these are just non-food items that I needed. I grabbed some Unstoppables, and these are my favorite scent. And then I am going to be trying this Clorox Scentivia disinfecting wipes, and this is Tuscan Lavender and Jasmine. I just want to have a really good disinfectant wipe just because flu season's coming up. I just want to have these on hand. And then I ran out in my last cleaning video. You saw I ran out of my granite cleaner, so I grabbed this one from Target, and this one is the orange tangerine scent, which I usually get from Grove, and it's the apple scent, but this one's not bad, so I had to get one of those. And then this is our favorite deodorant. This is a natural deodorant by Schmidt's, and this is my husband's favorite one, the charcoal and magnesium. And right now I'm using the lime. It's like lime something, I'm not sure, but I really like this one. And if you hear that noise in the background, my daughter is playing. It's just before nap time, so I'm letting her get all of her energy out. And moving on, I grabbed some Dave's Killer bread. This is the thin slice bread, 21 whole grains and seeds, and these are 60 calories, I believe. One slice, yeah, one slice is 60 calories. And then I need to get some more mozzarella cheese. This is just part skim mozzarella. We like cheese in everything, basically. And then I had to grab some of these Greek yogurts. This is a strawberry cheesecake. And the reason I got 3 of them is because I use an app called IBOTTA, and I will talk about that a little bit later on how you can earn money back when you go grocery shopping or just shopping in general. And then over here to some of my daughter's snacks. I got more of these Uncrustables, and this is on whole wheat bread, and more of these Sunny Day bars. Oh my gosh, she loves these. These are so good, and if you haven't tried them, they are just like Nutri-Grain bars. And then I also had to get more of these Happy Tot pouches, and this one. Comment down below if you have a toddler who loves these. I think these are one of the best inventions ever because they're getting a bunch of fruit and veggies, and they love the taste, and you don't have to worry about blending anything up. It's all ready to go for them. And then I needed to get more of these garden veggie straws in the zesty ranch flavor. I usually pack these for my husband's lunch, and then my daughter's been liking these, so I actually grabbed her the individual ones. So there's 4 of the cheddar cheese, 4 of the ranch, and 4 of the regular sea salt. So I thought it'd be better just to have them on hand like this when we're out. And then this is new to me. So this is the veggie chips, same brand, same company, but they're like, I guess they would be like Pringles. And I got sour cream and onion, so I'm gonna try these. And I always have to have chocolate chips in the house, and we use them from oatmeal to just regular snacks, but I always have these here. And then another snack is these are little mini nut thins, and I haven't tried cheddar cheese before, so I'm going to give those a try, but I love these. These are made with almonds, and they are so good. So that is it for Target. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this app works. So this is my lifetime earnings so far, and I have $31.24 available to withdraw. So upload my receipt for Target. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So you're going to go down to redeem, and then I'm going to select my store, so Target, and then you just take a photo of your receipt. So here is everything that I got at Target that was on my IBOTTA list. So I'm going to get $3.10 back, and then I'm just going to hit collect, and it's going to send off the receipt, and then I should get a verification soon just to let me know that my cash is available. So yeah, it usually takes a day. Sometimes it takes a few minutes, but it's pretty quick. So here are some pending earnings that I'm waiting on, and that is how it works. This is my code that you can use. I'm going to leave this down in the description box, so definitely use this. And then when you get the app, you're going to get $10 just free cash for you to use, and then you can also get a referral code to share with everyone. I try to tell everyone I know about this app. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. You can use it for shopping. So let me show you a little bit here. So obviously there's retailers that you can use it with. You can also pay. So I like to use it. You can do Starbucks, Chipotle I've used a few times, Old Navy, just a ton of different places, movie theaters, clothing, convenience stores, and then you can also use it for like Uber Eats, Flowers, Blue Apron, HelloFresh, and then travel. So I've used this for a couple of hotels I've had to book. And I got some money back. You can use it for like rental cars, just so cool, restaurants. I've done Home Depot before, and I've used it at Dick's. But yeah, definitely get this app if you don't already have it. I use it every single time I can just to get that little bit back. It does seem like, you know, a couple dollars, couple cents. It adds up. I've had this app for 5 months, and that's what I've earned so far. So definitely take advantage of this and get your $10. Now I'm going on to Sprouts. So originally when I went to Sprouts, I was only there for a couple things, but I saw that they were having, I believe it was a 20% off frozen items, and I love frozen items. I think they're so convenient, so I picked up some new things, and I'm going to show you starting over here. So these are, if you've ever had cauliflower pizza, this is from that brand Cauliflower, and these are sweet potatoes, but they're basically sliced and roasted. So these are some of the things you can do with them, and I just thought it'd be so cool to try some of these out. Then I also grabbed just some chicken breast. So this is just for some lunches coming up. So this is one of my favorite snacks. I've only seen this at Sprouts, and it's 15 grams of protein. There's 2 servings in here, so I already ate half of it on the way home because I was so hungry. But these are basically Rice Krispie treat. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. But this is a birthday cake flavor, and it is just so good. So that's what this looks like, and again, I already ate half of it. So if you guys like Rice Krispie treats, definitely try to find these. They're so good. And I also grabbed some waffles. These are by Kashi. They're gluten-free and they're cinnamon, and these are really good. My daughter likes them. I like them. They're just amazing and quick, easy snack or breakfast for us. I also grabbed some of these cheddar bunnies. My daughter really likes these ones, so I think they were on sale, and I grabbed those for her. And these are pancake bites in berry. So I like this, ready in 50 seconds. Yeah, you can microwave them. So I'm gonna let her try those for breakfast. This one I've never seen there before. I never really looked for it, but because they had the frozen sale, this is loaded cauliflower with white cheddar and uncured bacon. And I just thought that looked amazing, so I had to get that. And then I also got some riced cauliflower blend. So this is just cauliflower with sweet potatoes and kale. And I got some cocoa whip. So this is coconut whip topping and it's the lighter version, so a little bit less fat there. And I like to use these for kind of like an ice cream substitute sometimes, so I wanted to try that out. And then speaking of ice cream, of course I had to get some more enlightened, so chocolate peanut butter. That is my husband's favorite. And then one of my favorites is the monkey business one. So these are so good. They're kind of like Halo Top, but I think they actually taste better. They have better flavors. When they're on sale, I like to grab those. I had to get some more bananas. And then of course I had to get more Zevia, and the grape one is our favorite. This one or the cream soda is, I think, the best ones. So that is it for my grocery haul. It was a little bit different. I don't usually go to these stores for groceries, so I thought I would share with you what I picked up today. So I like to try new things and share those with you as well. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe before you leave here and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out when I upload. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.